Hi there, Nick Heath, Client Relationship Manager at U Asset Management, and welcome to our Q1 2023 Quarterly Investment Review. And I'm delighted to be joined by our Chief Investment Officer, Mr. Shane Balkham. Hello Shane.
Hi Nick.
Now Shane, could you perhaps talk our audience through what happened in Q4 2022?
Certainly. Q4 2022 pretty much ran on from the rest of 2022. It was a focus on central banks and their rising interest rates policy to combat inflation. The difference we had with Q4 was we feel we've seen the peak inflation levels in the US. Hopefully that will follow through into Europe at some stage this year. And with that gave a buoyant outlook for this year and a reprieve for investors for Q4 2022.
Great, and I guess importantly, how did that affect client portfolios?
Thankfully, a positive quarter for all of our investment products. Did mean a negative 2022 overall, but not as bad as we probably felt at the beginning of the year. It was a very difficult year as well. Diversification was absolutely key. It was the first time for a long time we've seen bonds and equities both fall. Equities, measured by MSCI World Index, all countries, was down 8.1%, hedged to sterling. And Bloomberg Global Aggregate Index, again hedged to sterling, was down 12.2%. So that traditional role of bonds and equities to diversify each other wasn't there this year. So hence diversification was a really key element for any multi-asset investor.
Okay, fantastic, thank you. And I guess the key question then is, what do we think is going to happen going forward?
We think there's going to be deflationary pressures coming through. Things like China releasing their zero tolerance towards COVID, that should help heal supply chains around the world, which will be very deflationary. We think we'll see peak inflation in Europe at some point this year, as we already have done, we believe, in the US. And that should see peak interest rate policies as well, all of which should be a better background for investing going forward than we had in 2022. So whereas 2022 was an incredibly difficult year for investors, we feel 2023 will offer that reprieve. Asset-wise, we feel our portfolios are very well diversified and in a really good position to capture good long-term returns in 2023.
Fantastic, thank you. And thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to learn a little bit about this in more detail, we have our full quarterly investment reports, which are available on our website. And you can also watch this video and many others on our YouTube channel in our advisor section on the website. So thank you for watching and listening.
Thank you.